This is how to set the clock on your Fiat 500, as long as you've got the buttons here at the side of the speedo. So pretty straightforward. Turn the ignition on, going to press menu, going to press the minus button until it shows set time. Then press the menu again, set the time, menu again. Now we're going to knock the hour off, so press down for menu going down. So simple as that. Up for up, menu, then if you want to set the minutes, down or up, menu to save it, and then if you want to set the date, press down, set the date, then you can change it same way, change the month, change the day, press menu to save it again, and then scroll back down through all the other settings, exit menu, or you can just turn the ignition off. That's it, simple as. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.